And this is my presentation for course EECS 1011 bonus project for Professor James Andrew Smith. I built a home alarm system using an ultrasonic sensor, which we see here. And my project is really easy to build, accessible and cheap, so it could be used for various locations, and it ranges from 30 centimeters to 450 centimeters. And this is my setup. This is the code, this is the sensor, and this is the Arduino board that I use for it. As we can see here, at first we connected to the Arduino. We used the library for ultrasonic, and it has some built-in functions that makes the coding easier. The trick and echo on the sensor are connected to D2 and D3, and we use buzzer, LED, microphone, and potentiometer that are on the board, and these are the pins for them. It displays starting home alarm system for the user to know that the system is active, and these are arrays for the live graph. We use while loops and if else statements, and the potentiometer is adjustable, which will help define the sensitivity and when the LED light is gonna turn on. So the threshold distance that I have defined here is 1 meter, which is adjustable. It could be up to 4.5 meters. I use 1 meter for the sake of the video here, and if the distance is below that, the buzzer is gonna go off, and it's gonna go off for 5 seconds. And after that, it's gonna display alarm cleared, and when it turns on, it's gonna say intrusion detected. So we see these subplot codes for subplotting 3 different plots and graphs, which are gonna be live. The first one is gonna be for the distance over time. The second one is gonna be for the microphone voltage, and the third one is gonna be for the potentiometer. As we see here, I'm gonna run section and activate the Arduino board. Hopefully it says activated. It's gonna take a second. And now it's on. So as you see, it went off. We're seeing on the graph the distance is near to the wall is somewhat near 1.5 meter. This is the microphone voltage. Since I'm talking, it's gonna have fluctuations here, and this is the potentiometer that's gonna stay constant since I didn't change it. As you see here, it says intrusion detected, and finally alarm cleared. And for the LED light, as you see here, since I set the potentiometer to the right, which is the highest voltage it has, you see I can turn it all right more. But if I turn it like this, you see it's gonna detect it. And if I turn it even more, it's gonna stay on forever because the sensitivity is really high now, and it's gonna detect. So as we can see here, it says sound detected, and we can see that on the live graph as well that I changed the potentiometer, and the distance is constant now because nobody walked past between it. So that was my presentation for this project. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.